I'm a born and raised New Yorker. I've been in New York when Hurricane Sandy hit, when there was a blackout, when 9/11 hit, and COVID-19 is just on a different level. New York City has been hit the hardest in the United States, and countless frontline healthcare workers are risking their lives because people need them. But they don't have the resources or medical equipment for them to protect themselves. As a New Yorker, I can't just sit around. New Yorkers don't sit around. We do something. And so I just said, hey, let me message my friends. Let me make some phone calls. Let me see how we can make a difference here. The main goal of the COVID Foundation and A Million Masks is to help save lives during the COVID-19 pandemic. Our primary focus right now is providing personal protective equipment to frontline healthcare workers in need. In order to fund those masks and get them here, we launched a GoFundMe. And in the first 4 days, we raised $200,000. And I realized that GoFundMe takes time to make sure that the money's going where it's supposed to go. But every day that passed meant that mask prices were going up and people are dying. Something needs to be done. So at that point, who I needed to talk to was somebody like Nick at the GoFundMe team who could help me get PPE faster. It was at least around 11 p.m. my time. And I was like, Nick, I know it's late, but we need money. And he just very patiently walked me through to make sure that the bank accounts were set up properly so that the funds could flow. So they were working with me hand in hand and been helpful ever since. Especially in times of crisis, the things that make us sane are having support around us. Having family support, community support, but also tech support, super important. And so knowing that I had somebody there at the GoFundMe team that wasn't a robot or wasn't a call center, just amazingly, incredibly helpful people, I just felt really supported and that things were being moved along as fast as they could. The Million Mask campaign has raised over $650,000 now, which could only have happened with their platform. GoFundMe has allowed people like me to go out and make a difference. And so for all those that have come together and been supportive of our work, it just reminds me that we have a shared humanity here. So let's band together as one human race in the fight against COVID.